Hi submarine friends. Well, I've been working on my diesel submarine here, and what I've been working on is this bracket right here, this complicated looking piece. So this piece bolts into a bracket that I welded on my homemade water-cooled exhaust manifold. So what this does is it holds these cables. So all they do, it's pretty simple, they just clip right in just like so. And then once they're installed, I'll just put a safety tie wire around here so that they don't jump out. And then this piece here, which just has a little hole drilled in it for a cotter pin, that drops into the lever on the valves that I want to shut off remotely. So there's 6 in total that I have to turn off remotely in an emergency. It's only in an emergency. Otherwise, they stay open all the time. So these 2 holes here in the front have 2 cables coming through. They shut off the hydraulics. This one and this one shuts off the air going into the ballast tank. This one shuts off the air to the pressure holding tank, the air holding tank. This one here and this one here shuts off water flow to the cooling radiator. So it's really worked out fantastic. The only thing that I have to sort out still is, so this one is actually already cut to length. So it just comes out right here. So when I'm sitting in the submarine and I'm sitting in a low position on the seat, there's going to be 4 buttons on this side and 2 on this side. Now the only thing is I have to decide what kind of a button I want to put on these cables. I can't weld to this, so I may have to just fabricate something that has a set screw that locks onto this. Maybe I can buy something. I haven't really searched around, so I'm just going to leave the cables poking out for the time being until I figure out what to use for a knob to go on here, like the knob on a choke cable on an old school truck, right? I'm sure I'll find something. If not, I can just make something up. Maybe some thick aluminum discs that I have a bunch of those from drilling, and I could put a set screw through the side. I don't know. That will evolve. That's the least of my worries. So, I mean, I could leave the cable sticking out, just pulling the cable, but that would be kind of tacky. So maybe somebody has a suggestion on what I can use. That's about a 1/8 diameter cable. So it would be nice if some kind of a knob just slid over, had a set screw coming in from the side with an Allen key head, tightens on there, Bob's your uncle. I can't really, the way this is made, it's like a twisted piece, so I can't really just do a fold in it and go back on itself. And I don't think I can. I could probably make some kind of a loop as well and just clamp the loop. That would work. You could just put your finger in it and pull, but that's kind of tacky too. It would be nice to have a knob on there. So maybe someone has an idea. So that's what's happening today. Ciao.